Hello there, it's Mark Brough, Project Manager for Merit on the site of the new Berwick Infirmary. Just to update from the last communication, you'll probably remember the last time you saw this building, it was a green sheathing board. Now what we have done is we've added a membrane, which gives it's a waterproof membrane, and added some sheeting rails which will hold the insulation to give the external of the building its U value. So that's being added there now. You'll see also some of our internal equipment being brought off the vehicle, being taken into the building. Behind me you'll see some of our internal wall framing systems. They're fabricated, manufactured in our Cramlington facility and delivered direct up to site. So we're moving inside now and on the ground floor of the building. Just to give you a bit of perspective, I'm stood just in front of what will start forming the new doctor's surgery with the various consult rooms being formed behind me. So behind me is, I'm stood in a doorway of one of the consultant rooms. These rooms are still to be subdivided, but they are quite large in size. They will give a nice open aspect, be a nice welcoming feel to both patients and staff that are working here. So I'm now stood in the reception area of the facility, and as you see behind me, it's nice and light, it's airy. You have a first floor garden, which gets the sun most of the day. It also has a lovely view over Berwick town centre. There's a lot of glass to borrow light in, and you have light wells in the roof, again just bringing a nice airy feel to the space. So as part of our further commitment to off-site manufacture, behind me you will see one of our bathroom pods. These are again fully fitted out in the Cramlington facility and shipped to site, lifted onto the first floor in this instance and positioned into the recess on the floor. So they come with the vinyl in, they come with all of the sanitary ware fitted, everything's tested, even the shower curtains installed. The door gets locked now, it'll get cleaned, locked, and it will not be opened until such time as we're more or less ready to hand the facility over. So we stood outside the front of the hospital. Aesthetically, it's really starting to take shape now, and we're getting really excited as things progress.